650. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Bonner County in the panhandle of Idaho until 7:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles south of Northman, Oregon, 16 miles north of East River, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include